Very good morning, viewers. So we're going to visit Akshay Dum Biriyani today. It's on Hoskote, right? And they say you get biryani as early as 4 a.m. in the morning. I'm up for it. Super hungry, super excited. Let's hit the road. Yeah. These are things one misses, right? Back in the days, when we feel hungry, we used to just get out in the night and have some good food. And being in Bangalore is known for amazing food joints. Well, the options now, because of safety reasons, are a lot limited. Now that this has come up, I just thought I had to give it a shot. Given that we are there at TC Balya Junction, I'm guessing it should take about 20 to 30 minutes for us to get there. But let's see. Yeah. I've heard it's just on the main. We're not navigating because I've traveled that side. And going by the pictures I've seen, I kind of guess where it is. But let's go check it out. Time to give you a glimpse of the highway. These are the best times of my travel. I love to travel around this time. I'm doing this after years, but I'm heading out at this part of the time, and I'm totally loving it. 3:30 in the morning, and it's surprisingly very cold. It isn't a surprise that I'm reviewing food today, and that's because that's what I've grown up around. You should see this beautiful Indian flag just up the Brigade Tower as we're just very close to the toll. I think we reached and I just missed it. But the good news is that just after the toll, to the left, you'll have to get into the service lane, and it's just about 3 shops down the line. We're gonna try and check if we get a U-turn or something. It's gonna be on the right, so I'm gonna give you a glimpse. See the crowd. This is amazing. The meat is super soft. Amazingly cooked. And you got tons of flavors exploding. It's amazing. So folks, we finally made it. What a wonderful experience. A lovely biryani. About a little spicy. And I love it that way. Mutton was perfectly cooked. The best part about it is when you buy the biryani, they also give you a chicken leg piece with it. And that was amazingly fried, super tender. The best part was about the quantity. I think it was more than sufficient. If you're an average eating kind of an individual, then I think about one biryani you can split between 2. It's still quite dark, so pardon me for the lighting. This is one good food. And now is the sleep that I've been waiting for. It was wonderful to share my experience today with you. I'm really excited and happy about it. I am going to be posting a lot more videos and reviews about food and so on. So do subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy, stay safe. God bless you and have a wonderful day ahead. Enjoy your weekend.